Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is a kind of guidance video for all those people who wish to prepare for IPMAT and CUET and they want to go for IPMAT 2024 exams and CUET 2024 because they are targeting BBA and BMS and Bachelor of Economics in different universities and colleges, right? So in this particular college, in this particular video, let me first take you through the top colleges. The first is IIM Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu, Bodh Gaya, and Kakinada, IFT Kakinada, DOMS Hyderabad, and then we have Nirma University, as you can see. If you look at the programs, these are 5-year programs. That means 3 years of BBA, 2 years of MBA programs. I'm Indore, 14 February to March 26. This is the last date, so make sure that you fill the form. Rohtak, 6 Feb to 10th April. So we have enough days left. However, fill the form is ASAP. I am Ranchi, will take this course of IPMAT. I am Jammu, will take this course of, it will have its own exam, sorry. And notification is not yet out. However, we are expecting it to come by April, first week. And Bodh Gaya will take this course of IM Jammu itself, right? And if you look at the exam pattern, usually we have maths, English, and reasoning in all the sections, in all the exams, most of the IPMAT exams. IFT also takes the IPMAT Indore score. Nalsar has its own examination. Nalsar has its own examination in MET, and it also takes the scores of IPMAT Indore. Nirma also takes the scores of IPMAT Indore. So IPMAT Indore is one of the most important exams to be taken by any student who wants to get into the 5-year MBA program by the IIMs, right? The eligibility is maximum age usually is 20 years of age, and some of them have, they will ask for, IPMAT Indore says that you should not be more than 20 years of age by 1st of August 2024. Rohtak says that you should not be more than 20 years of age by June 30th, 2024. So they have different eligibilities. I have written everything in this detail. Kindly find this attachment and, make sure that you check all these things. Other information, one of the most important information is if at all you want to go for IFT, IPM program, you need to have maths, right? Very, very important piece of information. Otherwise, for others, you may be from any discipline, doesn't matter. But for IPMAT, IFT, IPM IFT, Kakinada, you need to have maths as well. Right? It's a compulsory subject. You can have applied maths as well. You can have business maths. You can have any, no issues. Next is, so these are the most important IPM programs, 5-year MBA programs, which you should be targeting, right? So first of all, make sure that you fill the Indore and the Rohtak form ASAP, right? And Jammu is not yet out. However, wait for it. It will be out in the next 7-8 days, not more than that. And let's go to the CUET 2024. Okay, so the second step for all the people who want to get into BBA programs is taking CUET examination. CUET, we have, there are many colleges, but trust me, all the colleges are not worth joining. So I have shortlisted a few of them. For example, we have Delhi University, BHU, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Lucknow, Allahabad University, B.R. Ambedkar State University, Delhi, Guru Gobind Singh Trust, and HBTI Kanpur, which has recently come in the purview of CUET. And we have Indira Gandhi Technical University for Women. We have Footwear Design Development Institute. We have Dayal Bagh University, Agra. We have TIS, Mumbai. Right. So these are the top-notch colleges if you at all you want to go for the BBA and the BMS programs in the country. Also, we have Mitibai College, and I have not written it, but I think Mitibai College is in the game. So you can target that college as well. Right. So BBA, BMS, and BBE, which is Bachelor of Business Economics, as if you can see. If you want to go to this college, Delhi University, you have to ensure that you take the language and the general test. Additional subjects not required, but for BCom, accounts, business studies, economics, entrepreneurship, etc., like you need to choose any 3. Very, very important, right? Delhi University. BA Honors Economics, again, 2 subjects from class 12th, very important. 2 subjects, any 2 subjects from commerce stream. And if at all you want to get into Delhi University, you need to have the domain subjects in class 12th also. So that is very important piece of information, unlike other colleges. In the other colleges, say you are a PCM student who want to go for BBA, you can go. But in Delhi University, that's not the case, right? You need to have the subjects in the class 12th as well, right? And BHU, if you see, only general test and English required, and accounts and business studies, if at all you want to go for the BWalk, right? And Bhimrao Ambedkar University, only English and general test required. Allahabad University, for BCom, accountancy and bookkeeping is also required, plus general test and English as a subject is required, language. Ambedkar University, State University, BBA, you need to have only general test and English. Similarly, in IP University, general test and English. HBTI, Kanpur, only English and general test. Indira Gandhi Technical University for Women for BBA program, only language and general test. So general test is something which is compulsory for every student to take. So ensure that when you are filling the form, first two subjects which you will fill is English and general test. Similarly, in Tata Institute of Social Studies, as you can see, BSW, Bachelor of Science in Analytics, English and general test. Important, right? Now, let me take you through the CUET form, right? In CUET form, the first thing you will do is, there's a dashboard, you will go and see, you will register, you will use your Aadhaar card, register, then you will go to application form directly. So when you go to the application form, you just have to click here, and after registration, they will ask your contact details, and then they will ask you your personal details, and then they will ask you your quota details. I need not explain these things because these things are something which all of you know, right? And then they will ask your qualification detail, they will, what is your school, well, pin code, area, all these things. And then the most important part is the university program. Very simple. For example, if you know that in Tata Institute of Social Studies, right, in tests, they are asking for only English and general test. So you will, what do you want to go for? Suppose if I want to go for Bachelor of Social Work, Bachelor of Analytics and Sustainable Development, I want to click here. The moment I click here, I will, for example, I have added a few colleges from Delhi University, the program name and the list of the subjects. I will note down the list of the subjects that maths is required for me, accountancy, bookkeeping is required, economics is required. Different programs have different requirements. I will make a list of it, and then I will agree and I will go to the next part. Right now, understand, fill as many colleges in the university, in the CUET, because there is no additional fees for that. So fill as many BBA programs as you want to, right? Even if you're not interested in joining it, fill it, right? For example, I showed you the best of the colleges right now, right? You have to ensure that you fill these colleges, right? If at all you are targeting BCom, BBA and BMS. Apart from these, mark as many colleges as you want to, because then you're anyways not paying any additional fees. And by chance, if your exam goes bad, or maybe for any given reason you want to apply to some private university, you have the options open, right? So CUET, fill all the BBA programs, right, of all the universities. And then once you have done that, just go here. The first should be English as a subject, obviously, which we are talking about the test paper subject selection. The second should be general test. Every person should take general test. It is a backup option, right? So English and general test, and then if you are going for BCom or BBE, maths and applied mathematics, again, I have chosen medium English. I would like to go for economics and business economics, because many universities are asking for economics and business economics. Then I will choose business studies, then I will choose accountancy and bookkeeping. So you just need to go ahead and choose these, and that's it. And you will save and go next, and after that you will fill up your exam center details. Exam centers, you have to fill in 4 options, choose the nearest cities for your convenience, and then upload your documents. You will fill your photo and signature, you will upload them and make the payment, and voila, your CUET form is done. So 3 things to take care of. 1, when you are targeting BCom, BBA and BCA, where BCom, BBA and BWalk, make sure that you fill these colleges, and English language is a must, general test is a must, maths, applied maths for Delhi University, it is a must, and additional subjects like accounts, business studies, entrepreneurship, etc., as per the need of the college, you definitely have to pick in, right? And once you do that, I'm sure you'll be able to find yourself very comfortable. And there are some alternate top your private universities offering BBA and BCom programs as well. For example, you can look to Narsi Munji. We have BBA, BCom, BSc Finance and BBA FinTech programs there. 20th May is the last date. Ensure that you fill this form as well. Simple test, nothing very difficult about it. If you're prepared. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at one more examination called Symbiosis Pune. Symbiosis Pune, BBA program, Symbiosis set. 12th April is the last date. 5th May, 11th May, and 27th May are 3 dates. You can take the exam and enjoy the selection process. And you can, if your exam goes well, you can definitely find a place for yourself in the university seat as well. And then we have some crash courses coming up. We have CUET 24 crash course. We have online, offline both. We have domain subjects for humanities. We have domain subjects for commerce, like for example, economics, business studies, entrepreneurship, history, geography, political science, psychology, and sociology in commerce and humanities respectively. For these subjects, we give you video lectures and mock tests. And we have live classes for general test, and we have live classes for English language. So general test and English language, live classes, domains, video recorded. We do not give any domain support for science subjects, remember. And you can have the classroom crash course as well. In Lucknow, we have 3 centers, Aliganj, Alambagh, and Gomti Nagar. Similarly, for IPMAT also, we have crash courses coming up in online mode and offline mode. The fees is fairly decent. 20,000 plus taxes, 20,000 plus GST, 15,000 plus GST. So you can always go ahead and take the courses for yourself. You can access our courses in online mode. You can come to the center and take the classroom program as well. Right. That's all for the day. That's all the information. In case you have any query, you can call me at 9670-606-777. I'll be more than happy helping you. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.